This video I will explain how to handle customer refund request using Google Pay Business. What is a customer refund? A customer refund means returning money to a customer after they have already paid you. Refunds usually happen when the customer paid by mistake, the customer paid the wrong amount, the order was cancelled, the product was not available, a service was not provided. Now we will see what is Google Pay for Business. Google Pay for Business is an app that helps shops and businesses. It accepts digital payments, track UPI payments, and you can see transaction history. The important to understand. Google Pay for Business does not automatically refund money. Refunds are done by sending money back manually to the customer. You have to understand the important rule first. UPI payments are instant and final. This means money goes directly to your bank account. Payments cannot be reversed automatically. Refunds must be done manually by the business. Now we will see how to handle a refund request. Step 1. Confirm the payment. Before refunding, open Google Pay for Business, go to Transactions, find the customer's payment, check the amount, date and status. This makes sure the payment is real and successful. Step 2. Confirm the reason for refund. Talk to the customer and confirm why they want a refund, whether the refund is valid. This avoids a fake refund request. Step 3. Get the customer's UPI ID or QR code. To send money back, you need a customer's UPI ID or customer's QR code. Step 4. Send money back using UPI. Refund is done by a normal UPI payment. Open your payment app. For example, Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm. Choose Pay. Then enter customer's UPI ID or scan their QR code. Then enter the refund amount, enter your UPI PIN, send the payment. This sends the money back to the customer. Step 5. Confirm refund success. Wait for payment success message and confirmation screen. Then inform the customer that the refund is completed. How to record the refund? For business records, write the refund in your notebook. Mark the transaction as refunded. Keep the transaction ID. This helps in accounting and avoids confusion later. Now we will see important safety tips for refunds. Never refund without checking the transaction. Always verify payment is real, payment is successful, and payment is in your account. Do not trust screenshots alone. Only trust your Google Pay business transaction history. Refund only to the same customer. Do not send money to different UPI IDs and third-party accounts. Keep proof of refund. You have to save screenshot of refund payment and transaction ID. Now we will see what are the common refund situations. First one, customer paid twice. You have to refund one payment amount. Second one, wrong amount paid. You have to refund the extra amount. Third one, order cancelled. You have to refund full amount. Fourth one, service not given. You have to refund full amount. What Google Pay Business cannot do? Google Pay Business cannot reverse payments automatically, cannot force refunds, cannot cancel completed UPI payments. Refunds are always manual payments by the business. The summary is to handle refunds in Google Pay Business, verify the payment, confirm the reason, and manually send the money back to the customer using UPI.